pluck this closure so I can get my life together, because I'm out here looking like Oprah Winfrey. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley if you're new, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey, what's up? So in today's video we'll be doing a makeup therapy video, because I'm just going to put makeup on and show you the little tips that I use to cover up my hyperpigmentation on my skin. And I'm also going to curl this wig. This wig is from Nice Wig. It's a 5x5 closure. It's a closure wig, and it's 24 inches, so it's about like 150 density. I will link it down below, so stay tuned to the rest of this video. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna clip my hair back because I don't want no makeup inside my weave. I don't want any makeup inside my weave, so we're just gonna get that situated, and then I'm going to prime my face with, let's see what primer I'm gonna use today. I'm gonna prime first, and I'm gonna use a hydration face primer by e.l.f. So I'm gonna show you, see where this part of my face is kind of dark. It's like a family trait. I'm trying to get that fixed. I want my skin all even. This is what I'm going to cover up, this dark mark. So the foundation I'll be using is Mented stick foundation. This is the only foundation that actually works for me, and it is in the color D10. I should got a D20. It's dark in my T-zone but light here, and I want it to be dark all over my face, so kind of like a contour shade. Looks so crazy. I look so crazy. First I like to blend out my foundation with a brush, and then I go in after with a beauty blender to blend it out as well, so it's like a even finish. My foundation is finally blended out the way I want it to be blended out. I like this foundation because it's not like thick, and I do not like thick makeup. As of right now, I look a little dewy, so we're gonna matte this down. But before we do this, I am going to put on my concealer. I use the NARS concealer in Chocolate and Hazelnut. I use both colors because they both have different undertones. We're gonna let this dry down for like 5 minutes. I'm gonna set my under eyes real quick because I don't want it to crease. I got creasy ass under eyes, so. Honestly, I don't like baking. I'm about to brush this makeup off because I'm just not a baker. Is this my contour brush? Now I'm going to use some bronzer to give my face some warmth. I'm using the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the color Mocha Mommy Sunstalker. I think it's the darkest shade. My face look a little matte. It's not as dewy as it was before. I am going to, so now I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. Let me know down below if you do your eyebrows first or if you do your eyebrows last. I used to do my eyebrows first, but because I was tired of taking the makeup off my eyebrows just to put my foundation on, I decided to start doing it last, and that works better for me. So I'm gonna use Mented Brow or Later. What color is this? I don't know. It doesn't say on here anymore. It came off. I am using Mented once again. I'm using Mented once again. This is their palette. I think it's their only palette. It's a complexion palette. What is this on my face? Oh, that's the shadow. And I am going to use the color, ain't no name on it, so I'm going to use this dark color. Usually I use my bronzer to do my eyes because I already have dark eyelids, so I'm just going to use this color just to give my eyelids back that dark color that it had. So now I'm just going to spray my face with the Morphe setting spray. Next up we have blush and highlight. So the blush I'm going to use is, it's a Morphe blush. I don't want to look like a clown. For some reason I'm just not feeling this lip combo, and I can't find my other lip combo, but this will do. So this is what the curls look like on this side. This is the curls on this side. I semi-curl, comb them out. So guys, this is the finished look. I don't have any lashes on because I don't have no lash glue, and I ain't got no hair glue either. So this is just gonna be the final look of my little makeup therapy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye y'all.